Superannuation, an important category relating to property settlements. My name is Andrew and I'm an accredited specialist in family law. I work in our family law department, which consists of 7 lawyers, 4 of which are accredited specialists. Our very own Carolyn Monk, one of the principals in our family law department, has been individually recognised as one of the leaders in the market. Superannuation. Superannuation of the parties is an important factor to consider when organising your matrimonial affairs. Unbeknown to many people, a lot of people believe that superannuation is not an important factor to consider when dividing your matrimonial assets. However, there is good case law to suggest, and in fact is the well-known practice in family law courts, where superannuation is included in the matrimonial pool of assets for division, either between a married or a de facto couple. The different types of orders a court can make about superannuation include flagging a superannuation or splitting a superannuation. The more common order that the courts look at, and the more common way that we implement property settlements these days, is through a superannuation split. What is a superannuation split, you may ask? And that is a very good question to ask one of your solicitors at Folbigg when you consult us for specialist advice. A superannuation split essentially entails the court making an order transferring one party's superannuation to another party's superannuation. Now, that does not mean the whole superannuation benefit you may have. It may only be a certain portion of that fund to the other fund. In terms of superannuation, it can become very complex and intricate in the midst of a family law property settlement. The reason being is that there is not only one kind of superannuation fund, there are various. The most common ones are accumulation funds, self-managed funds, and the most complex that I've dealt with definitely are defined benefit schemes. At the end of the day, when you're consulting a specialist family lawyer from Folbigg, one of our lawyers will be able to guide you about how best to structure your property settlement, including talking about your superannuation. Remember, it is very important to seek this advice, and you should do so by contacting us today.